With automotive, you can be as creative as you want. People will go ahead and express themselves through their vehicles. I've always wanted to work on vehicles, but then also having the enjoyment of being able to paint and just kind of mixing the two together is just something I've always wanted to do. Being able to attend college here, you get to see all the different ways how everyone does each job.
In this industry, not only do you need to be hungry to learn to get into it, you need to continue to be hungry to learn and your professional development over your career. I've watched Nate jump into the ICAR coursework. What that tells me is that he's hungry to learn. How would you repair that then? Since if you can't get a hammer?
For me personally, the most exciting part is be able to go ahead and completely finish off the vehicle and just seeing the project done from point A all the way to point B.
They're going to learn everything that they need in the industry to go into a shop, entry level, and hopefully bypass at least 3 years worth of normal labor in the workforce. But here in this valley, there are literally hundreds of job opportunities.
And just knowing that what I get to do is something I've always enjoyed. Being able to fully restore classic cars is my ultimate dream goal.